my channel. As I have said in my previous video, today we are going to discuss about HTML. Okay, this is just an introductory video. It shows what is HTML and how HTML is defined. Okay, so without any delay, let us start. By the word HTML, it means that hypertext markup language. Sounds so weird, right? Don't worry, I'll split it for you. By the word hypertext, it means that any text that contains links to another text. Okay, here as I have shown in the diagram, it is any text, it contains link to another text. Okay, the text on the left side is called the hypertext here. Okay, the text which is on the right side can again be linked to another text. That's different thing, but which contains links to other text is called hypertext. Okay, by the word markup language, it means that any language which can be used for the presentation of data. Okay, it do not have any logics or something like programming languages. Markup languages works only on the upper level, that is the presentation of any text, pictures, videos or etc. Okay, so summarizing all things, HTML document is a text which is used for the presentation. As I have said that markup languages works by presentation of a web page, which in turn can add links to other page. Okay, we have discussed that hypertext means that text which add links to another text. Right here, the document, the page add links to another web page, which in turn can again add links to other page. It is a different concept whole. So let us discuss about all the tags, all the different concepts in the next videos. Please stay tuned for that, and also like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any doubts or if you want any specific topics, please reach me out at the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.